सच बताओ कितना टाइम हो गया और एक बुक नहीं पढ़ पाए. Hi, my name is Shipra Rati, and if you're in a very bad reading slump, I think you're at the right place. So, usually the main reason behind a reading slump is because our attention span isn't what it used to be. So, attention span हमारा इतना अच्छा हो नहीं पाता है. So, these are some books that does not require a lot of your attention span but are actually pretty good. So for short books, I think the Book of Daily Brilliance by Pamela Pooja Kirpalani is so good because first, it's not just a non-fiction, it does not force things onto you, which I think that was the one thing I loved about this book. It felt very natural to me. मैं पढ़ रही थी उस चीज़ को and I was understanding what she was trying to convey with her book and it did not feel forced. Another book is Days at the Morisaki Bookshop and I cannot stop recommending it to you guys because I think it's very cozy and cutesy and बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. मतलब मज़ा तो not in fun way but it just calms your brain and I think bookstore setting just makes it more comforting. Poetry is always something that makes you feel that yes, you're heard, you know, you're seen, you are heard, people are understanding you. So these are some of the poetry books, poetry collection also I'm going to tell you, which I actually enjoyed reading and learned, which is Pillow Thoughts का पूरा collection. उसमें I guess 4 or 5 parts. It's amazingly written. It's so warm. It feels legit like a hug or a warm cup of coffee. It just is amazing. Another book is Jasmines in Her Hair by Kalpesh Desai. It's amazingly written. That book legit feeds your soul and the poetry, it's amazing. So you actually can try reading these. फास्ट पेस्ड थ्रिलर इज़ समथिंग जो कि अच्छे से ब्रेन ना फीड कर पाता है अपने आप में. मतलब फॉर मी व्हाट आई थिंक इज़ दैट इफ़ आई एम क्यूरियस आई एम इंटरेस्टेड एंड इफ़ आई एम क्यूरियस आई वांट टू नो मोर एंड आई विल रीड. आई विल नॉट लीव इट इन बिटवीन. And there are certain books that does make you curious but they are so long, the building up takes, it bores you. So I leave it in between and I get into a reading slump ki ab to I cannot read anything. So Never Lie by Frida McFadden is such book that it has a build up but it's not, that build up isn't boring. It's interesting. It will make you more curious. It will make you scared. Another book is That Night by Nidhi Upadhyay. I love that book. I was in a very bad reading slump and that book legit took me out of it. So I would 101% recommend it. Another book is by Holly Jackson. It's actually a series, A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. It's amazingly written. उसकी सेकेंड बुक इज़ काइंड ऑफ डस टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम इन बिल्डिंग अप बट उसकी फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड पार्ट आर अमेजिंग. एंड फर्स्ट पढ़ लिया तो सेकंड पढ़ने में यू विल बी इंटरेस्टेड बिकॉज हमको थर्ड पढ़ने में मज़ा आने वाला है. तो इट एक्चुअली इज़ अ प्रिटी ग्रेट सीरीज अगर रीडिंग स्लम्प में हो तो. Romance books that does not make you contemplate your decision that why you are even reading or why you are into that genre. Those books that have plot twist that are not straightforward but then they're also very straightforward. Yeah, that's what keeps you moving. You are interested, you are curious. As I said, if you're curious, you're interested. And if that curiosity stays, that's what makes you read. So rom-coms that keeps you on edge is The Love Hypothesis by Ali Hazelwood. It's so hot. It's amazingly written. Another book is going to be Shattered Woes by Shane Rose. The trope is amazing. The setting is amazing. And The Recipe of You and Me by Claire Considine. It's short एंड इट्स अमेजिंगली रिटन. समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा कि क्या होने वाला है बिकॉज उसमें ट्रोप और प्रेमिसेस ही उसका ऐसे बेसिस पे सेट है. सो दैट्स व्हाट कीप्स यू मूविंग. तो मैंने अभी ये रिसेंटली पढ़ी थी एंड मुझसे कोई बुक कंप्लीट नहीं हो पा रही थी बट दैट आई फिनिश्ड इट. अनदर आई थिंक ट्विस्टेड सीरीज एंड किंग ऑफ सिन सीरीज आर अमेजिंग but in reading slump I will recommend you a few books from them. So from Twisted series it's going to be Twisted Games and Twisted Lies. Amazing setup अच्छा है, story line अच्छी है, smart है, सब कुछ है. It will keep you interested. From King of Sin series I will recommend you King of Wrath. अमेजिंग है. पहली बुक है तो बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी हो रही होगी. अनदर बुक आई डू फाइंड किंग ऑफ प्राइड हॉट मेनली बिकॉज ऑफ काई यंग बट देन आई थिंक व्हेन आई थिंक ऑफ इट डज नॉट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ things going in it. So I will recommend you King of Sloth. Amazingly written है, मज़ा आ जाएगा पढ़ के. So one of the hardest part of being in a reading slump is इतनी सारी recommendation तो कर दी है शिप्रा लेकिन उसमें से क्या पढ़े. So in the next few seconds you're going to be showed some colors. You have to choose them and in the next other few seconds you're going to be recommended the book based on the color you chose. So this was it. I hope you enjoyed watching and also if you're not aware of, I also have a Bookstagram, so kindly follow me there as well. See you in the next video. Bye.